Welcome back to another video. It's Danielle and I have some exciting news. So I wrote a book. It's called Make a Deposit. It's a guide to rebuilding your identity and finding fulfillment after having kids. I know a lot of us struggle, especially as mothers, to hold on to who we are and figure out what the purpose of our lives is. And that's what my book is all about. It's all about helping you get back to who you are, figure out who you want to be, and redefine your life on your terms. And we are officially in the 30-day countdown for my book launch. It launches on June 22nd. So I'm so excited. So right now we have a special offer just for my subscribers and those of you who are watching my videos. You can actually get a free pre-launch copy of the book by clicking the link in my description box to join my VIP list. Not only will you get a free copy of the book, but you'll also get some other perks and member benefits. So go ahead and click that link below. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another video, because there's going to be a video every single day for the next 30 days as we celebrate the launch of my new book, Make a Deposit. I have now come into TJ Maxx 2 days in a row. And both days I had to go to the bathroom. And both days somebody came in, used the bathroom, and didn't wash their hands. I hope it's not the same person. I hope they don't work here, because that's disgusting.
For me, it's too early. Like, I don't know. Yeah. So, like, as soon as I get halfway through the shift, I'm gonna be starving. That's what I said. I had to force myself to do that because you're not very, like, the very light.
All right. Oh, my nose looks bad. Okay, I just got home, finished editing that video. Oh, I messed my nose up. I was getting the whiteheads out of my nose, and then I had a bump right here, and then I popped the bump, and then there was skin around the bump, and I started peeling the skin, and then I ended up with this. Not good. But anyway, ended up keeping the clothes that I bought Corey, the dress, the visor, and the shirt. I was never taking the shirt back. I was only thinking about taking it back, the dress, because I just bought her like 4 dresses from H&M, so she didn't really need any dresses. And then I got my Target order, which is just pajamas. I got 2 sets of pajamas, which I can also use for the shoot. I did some of the shoot last weekend, which y'all saw in the last video, and then I'm going to do the rest this weekend. So I need to go wash my hair. My nails are already done, thank the Lord. And I need to, oh yeah, and it's been a week, and these are still looking good, feeling good, not lifting. These are legit. I will link these. And I'll put them in my Amazon storefront. This is one of the things I got from Shein, this case, which is super cute. But the problem is, it cannot fit in the thing that's holding my phone. So it doesn't fit in my tripod, it doesn't fit in anything, so I'm about to switch to a different case because this one is not convenient for when I'm trying to film stuff. This is only good for like walking around and having like that pop socket, and it's just really cute. But, and it looks cute with my nails actually, but it's not practical for like every day when I'm filming and putting my phone in and out of this. Even if I'm not filming and I just want this to hold my phone if I'm watching something on my phone while I'm driving, or if I'm you know, using it for directions or whatever. Although I don't really need to use my phone for directions because it populates on the screen of the car. You know what I'm trying to say? Like if I need to put my phone in this car mount, then it doesn't work. I'm about to go start getting myself together so I can start taking pictures. Cody is my dedicated photographer because my girl be coming through with the pictures. Okay, she was like getting the angles and everything. I was so proud of her. I'm still not done her hair. I did the couple rows in the back are done, and then the whole right side of her head is done, but then the whole left side of her head still needs to be done. She has so much freaking hair. Took me another 2 hours last night to do this part. We are so many hours in on this hairstyle at this point. Like, that girl has way too much hair. She gonna be wearing mini twists for the next like 3 months, and I'm just gonna keep redoing them without reparting because it is so much work to do her hair, and I cannot. All right, just finished the photo shoot, day 2, because I did it last Saturday and then again this Saturday, and I'm over it. I might do one more day in the house and like do like in my pajamas, kind of like in the house cleaning and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm done. I'm about to go change, try to finish Cody's hair, and then maybe we can go out and do something before the day is completely over. What? I only bought enough for me, Corey. I don't have any fruit snacks, okay?
What is it?
I don't have any fruit snacks.
And you said you don't have enough for what?
I only bought enough for all of y'all to have one yesterday. I bought 4 because I have 4 kids. Come on so you can take a bath. So I use these shorts to take the pictures, but I do not like that they are doing this. So I'm gonna send these back. I only had them on for like 15 minutes. while we took pictures, and I just left the tags on because that is a no.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you.
All right, y'all. It is Sunday. I went out earlier just to get, for one, to go to Trader Joe's because the new, the Brazil nut butter finally came back out. If you know, this is only once a year, so you gotta stock up when this comes out. So I got 3 of these, and then this year they also had the scrub. So I also got the Brazil nut body scrub, and then we went to Trader Joe's, we went to Costco, we went to BJ's, and we went to Lidl. So one of the things I got at Costco was these chicken wings. I just have been craving chicken wings. Bernie actually went, he stopped and got breakfast, but I didn't want breakfast food, so I'm starving because I waited to come home and cook my food. So I opened up the new air fryer. I don't think I showed y'all that. I got this from Walmart, the beautiful air fryer. I was trying to wait until I set it up. Because I wanted to get a liner for it before I started using it, but that ain't happened clearly. So I just put some of those wings in here. Y'all can't see, but I'm about to eat this. I'm starving. You said what?
Maybe you should wish her for credit cards and money here, I guess.
Wish for more credit cards? Is that what you said?
More credit cards don't give you more money.
Yeah, more credit cards and money. Yeah, that's what you should wish for.
That's so good.